Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some Crochet Parrot designs collection. These are all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade Crochet Parrots designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of Crochet Parrot designs collection. You can see the beauty of these Crochet Parrot designs collection. Beautiful and stylish crochet green parrot designs collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design, beautiful and new all crochet designs collection. Beautiful color crochet green and red white parrot designs ideas 2024. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.